It's been busy around here, and I still have calls that I need to go be on, but you know what? I always make time for you. Always. I definitely want to do another simple look today, only because of time. I have things I really need to be doing and phone calls that I need to get on. I might have to stop halfway through to go hop on a phone call, but I will be back. But also, I've got some fun stuff I want to show you. Look at this liner. Isn't that pretty? I picked this up at Ulta. It's from Stila. I'm vibing with Stila, and I don't know why nobody's talking about Stila. This is fun. I picked these up the other day. These are from NYX. This is their Glow Shot Ultimate Glow Shots Brightening Liquid Eyeshadow. That was a lot to say, and I will probably just go find a link. I picked mine up at Ulta. You'll notice that there's not going to be any eyeshadow base on my lid, and the reason why is because this would just mix with that eyeshadow base. These newer formulas are pretty long lasting. I'm not sure this is doing a lot. Let's see what's happening here. Now, we have to remember not everything is going to be crazy wild pigmented. This is more of just kind of a glow on the eye. It's pretty. Let's buff it out. So while I like extra spicy, some of you might not. You might be looking for something that just gives your lids a little glow. I'm going to add a little bit more, and then I'm going to buff it out. So while you might be thinking, oh, that's terrible, don't think that, because it's not a terrible product. It's different. It's different than some of the things that we might like. It's not as intense, but that doesn't mean there's somebody out there that might be looking exactly for something like this. I think it's pretty. And that's why when I see other creators go, oh, this is terrible, these are absolutely horrible, never buy them. Who are we to say that? Because there might be somebody out there wanting something exactly like this. And it's not creasing, that's good. Now let's put some cream bronzer in the crease. Ever since Nico, I'm gonna tag Nico, ever since he used this on me, I fell in love. So I love shade 03, but this is shade 02, and this is the one he used on me, and I just absolutely love it. So let's just add a little depth in the socket. Good to go. We're good to go. There we go. See what a little depth can do? See how it really brought that out? It's pretty. It's very subtle. Ooh. Okay. This is gorgeous. It has a black base, so it's going to have a lot of dimension. I know I say that word so much, but it really is a real thing. And anytime blue pigments have a black base, they really, really stand out. I mean, look at that. Oh, these are so pretty. I can't decide if I want to blend it out. I think I want to blend it out, and I want to do a soft, soft, elongated wing. I don't want to do a very extended. Oh, let me just show you. So we're just going to grab an E27, and I'm just going to soften the outer edge here. And I can even use the brush to just ever so lightly extend it. Now I'm doing this before it's completely set, because once it's set, it's not gonna do this. Just soften it, perfect. I'm really trying my best to kind of switch it up. I'm gonna go back to my wild flapping wings. You know I will. But I wanna make sure I'm doing something for everyone. Okay, let me throw on my mascara. Favorite mascara, y'all know. And then let me go hop on this call, and I'll be right back because we're going to try out some more new products. I love this mascara. I'll never be tired of talking about it. Okay, let me go hop on my call. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I was actually chatting with my friend Ellie from Queen Cosmetics. I'm sure that y'all know about those sparkly glosses. Anyways, I finally got to meet her on Zoom. I love her. I love her so much. So I think I'm gonna do powder foundation today, but I wanted to mattify my T-Zone, my favorite mattifying primer. And I'm only going to spot prime. And I'm just gonna spot prime where I get a little extra shiny with the humidity. Isn't this fun? Ooh, I forget we have minute slides now. We can just watch this, it's satisfying. Isn't that fun? I love this. I love this powder foundation so much. It's from Laura Geller. This is the Double Take Baked Foundation, powder foundation. And I'm just gonna take it and start to press it in. The brush I'm using is a Prototype. And I love it because you can really kind of build it up. But see how you can still see that glow? And if I was going to do concealer, I would have done the concealer first. But I'm actually just gonna wear this underneath my eyes. I love it. All right, let's bronze it up. I love this bronzer. These are from Beauty Creations. I say these because they have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful shade selection. And there's $7 or $8. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's 7 or 8. Very, very, very affordable. And so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. Just beautiful. I get so excited when I find things that are affordable. I love it. So pretty. So we have something really fun here. I picked this up the other day. I was at H-E-B. H-E-B is a Texas grocery store. And I saw this, and I saw, I can't get into it. I saw this top color, and that is so coppery. That's just true copper. And I wanted to try it. I'm trying to figure out how I want to use the other colors, but let's start with this coppery shade. We're gonna grab that on a C41, back in stock soon. And I'm gonna use it, not here, right above that. And I'm using this kind of copper, that is so pretty and it's so affordable. But I'm using this coppery shade as a transition for the bronzer. If you ever find that your bronzers are kind of leaning orange, copper blush. It brings it back to that very, I was saying it brings it back to a little bit more of a natural tan, because when the sun actually hits us, which it shouldn't be, you better have that SPF on. But say if we were out in the sun and we wanted it to look really natural, it's going to be very red, very coppery. So a lot of times we can't just go in with a coppery blush, but just kind of layer that on top of your bronzer, especially if you have a bronzer that's a little too orange for you. Using this on top, you're gonna be able to use it. So I'm gonna hit it right here where the sun would naturally hit. The sun also naturally hits across your nose, the high point just through here, right there. And then a little bit on the chin, just kind of whatever's left. We don't really need a red chin, a red coppery chin. But isn't that pretty? I love it. I thought that you might want to see the other two shades swatched. They're incredible. I won't be using them with this look, but I mean, we'll find some way, even that as an inner corner. I mean, let's do that for inner corner. That's what we could do. But the gold one I would save for something else. I mean, that'd even be pretty as eyeshadow, but let's do the white as our inner corner. Let's try it out. That's gorgeous. I like when I find good stuff like this. That is just so nice. That is so nice. And this is so pretty. Yay. Let's take our blue liner and just connect it here. Sometimes I'll just take my finger and soften it that way. Woo, I'm telling you, this is fun. I'm gonna get some more colors in these. So who remembers when these came out? Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick. Do you remember? What year was this? 2015, 2016? Maybe even before that, okay? This was one of the first liquid lipsticks that I ever tried. I'm gonna use the shade Bare It All, and this is a new one, it's not from that year. I'll use my older palettes, but I won't use older lipsticks. Isn't that pretty? And this formula is still one of the most comfortable ones that I've ever worn. And I feel like liquid lipstick, and maybe not for some of you, but in my area, brands haven't really been releasing liquid lipsticks until recently. And this is still, it's so good. And then this lip liner is also Gerard Cosmetics, and this shade is Sugar and Spice. And then before it dries, I'll kind of take a little bit and then just define my lip line. I'm gonna leave a link. Don't sleep on these. Sorry, I disappeared. Valentino Beauty just sent me a huge bouquet that I will show you. Am I dreaming? Is this a dream that I live? So I'm gonna grab a C30 now. A little spicy concealer brush. And we're actually gonna grab the powder foundation. Some of you might not have ever seen me do this, but powder foundation is incredible to clean up your lip line. Do you see that? I feel like we forget about cleaning up our lip line sometimes, but just a little bit makes such a difference. Okay, we're all done. I'm going to run to the grocery store really quickly, and then I'm gonna come back and film some more videos. This, I can't get it open. I'm absolutely out of control. Where's my scissors? How did I get scissors? Who allows me to have scissors? I can't be trusted with scissors. I can. So I wanna use this CoverGirl eyeshadow, and I wanna use it with this because this color, that is so year 2000. I think I had this, and I think I was too afraid to use it then, but I'm even gonna use it with this. I'm so excited. I kind of want to do an updated 2000s look. I want to film that. I'm excited. So I think we're done here. This is good. I love you all. I love you all so much. I'm gonna go film some more videos. I have no idea what I'm posting tonight. I've been kind of in a little, I won't say a funk, because y'all know I don't get in funks, but I have so many ideas that I don't know what I want to do. And that is a blessing. At least I have ideas, but then I just have so many ideas that I don't even know. I kind of just sit here looking at everything, but I'm going to do them. I'm just gonna do a bunch of ideas and film that. I love you all so much. I love you with all of my heart, and I'll see you in the comments tonight. Okay, I'm back, but only because I just read the DM. 8 other reasons where I get most of my jewelry. I did buy this, but they do send a lot, but I bought this. I love it so much, I had to have it. They have a code, 20% off, Rose20. 20% off. Okay, now I'm gone for good. I love you, bye. I wanted to show y'all the beautiful flowers that Valentino sent. Aren't these so pretty? Y'all are the best. I love my Valentino Beauty family. Thank y'all so much. I love them.